Welcome to Chin Man Rides. I'm Chin, the man behind the other camera is 38, and today we have another unboxing for you of a helmet, which is essentially the helmet I've always really wanted. It's the SHOEI how do you say it?
X-SPR PRO.
Thank you. In the Marquez livery colours, and I literally just wanted this because of the back of it. I'm a massive cat fan. I love cats. They are my favourite things in the world. And when people go, why do you like cats for? They are the perfect predator. Quite literally give zero fucks. You live in their house. You belong to them. There's nothing more alpha than that. And that's why I love the little Kit Kats. They're so cute. Anyway, by the by, we'll get on with this. Also, side note, I did obviously have the opening of the Inox Nebula, the Aura series, Cosmic series, sorry, and they had none left and they're not making any more. So sent that back, they gave me a refund, which was really good of them. Shame I couldn't get it because I really did fucking like that style of helmet and I really did like the color, but I got this one instead. I know it's nearly double the price, but I thought it'd make a good unboxing video if I'm honest with you. Pretty much the only reason why. So let's get on with it. If you'd like to come in. This is 38, everyone. So we're gonna get on with this and open it up. Nowadays, they mainly do come with the pin lock, which is really nice, which I didn't actually realise until seeing quite a few of the opening videos. Did you know they came with pin lock nowadays? No, that was always an extra before, which is odd because most things you get less of, but in terms of the helmets, it seems like you get more. Anyway, I did buy a spare one as well because I got a visor, a gold one, which they put in the box. So this was extra. It's just a gold visor. Shall I open it? Shall I open it?
Open it, because it looks nice.
I was fucking stupid then. I looked at it this side and go, that's not gold.
That's usually my mistake.
I was just,
I'm the kind of guy that usually does
that is a 38 mistake. Anyway, look at that.
Yeah, that's nice. Look, oh no.
Is it upside down?
I can see myself in it. That's just
Oh, that's gross.
yeah.
Sorry for that, folks. So anyway, that's that. Obviously that was extra by about 100 quid, I think, £97. I will put a link below where I bought this. Oh, there's the lid. What else comes in here? I tell you what, it's properly good foam. I know that sounds weird, but it's not like low density foam.
He says throwing it in the bin.
Yeah. So what we've got here, we've got obviously, what is that stuff? Silicone oil, I think it's extra.
Yeah, it's a nose piece and a chin piece.
Yeah, it is, yeah. Exactly what it is. So it comes with those two. Really nice. And some fishnet stockings, so that's quite nice.
Yeah. Runs under your chin.
Yeah. Also some stickers, which Apple used to do, which they stopped doing, which I think is quite sad. Do you remember Apple products used to come with stickers? Oh, they've just gone fuck off. They don't even get a charger.
Yeah, that's pretty poor.
Here we go. That's everything in the box. Yeet. There we go. Nice quality bag, as you'd expect. SHOEI's a premium product. Oh, look at this. Oh. Look at that. Just look at that. They're very me. I know it's Asian and whatnot, but that is the sole reason right there why I bought this. That is legit amazing. So I'm just going to do a quick try on and see if this falls apart like the Ruroc did. Ruroc. I think it's pronounced Ruroc. Obviously the D loops, double D loops, D rings. I'm gonna put the visor up. On it goes. Oh my God. Do you know what? Considering this isn't carbon fiber, it's so light. and the padding is just fantastic. Like, it's compared to my HJC and the Rurocs I've got at the moment, this is quite literally difference between Tesco's ketchup and Heinz ketchup. I don't know why.
Random but relatable.
What can you say? 12 karat gold to 24 karat gold is that much different, and it's really good quality. Like, in terms of the noise from outside, it's almost like when you put AirPod Pros in or EarPods in, it cuts that much noise out. It's really impressed with that. Well, you'd expect it for the price. 820 quid.
A lot of money. When did you last own a SHOEI?
Never.
Yeah, they're the best of the best. If you
Well,
ask
now
me.
I've just got the top end. I can never go back, can
Honestly, you'll never go back after putting that on.
I want to live in it. That's how nice it is. I want to be in this 24/7. So I will do a full review of this. Obviously, I can't take it out right now, which is sad. Just the way the cookie crumbles. That was a fucking wanky thing to say, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was terrible.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, you know what I meant. Just this is going to be really fun. Going to be fun. Can't really figure the words I want to say. So yeah, there will be a second long-term video of this, obviously, for those people who want it. I know there's loads of riding videos with these, so it's not going to be main priority, but I do want to get one out just to have my experience in it. So that's it for today. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe if you like motorbike related content. And that's it from me, Chin, 38, the cameraman, and 38. You got anything else to say?
Once you go SHOEI, you don't go back, I'll put it that way.
That was distinctly boring.
What I was going to say.
I thought you were going to say something catchy.
Sorry.
Like, once you go SHOEI, then you don't want no other helmet.
Catchy or...
That was awful. That was worse than the cookie crumbles.
Exactly.
Anyway, on that terrible note, we are both out.
Peace.
Sorry about that, that was gross. He can't get it off! Oh, that's annoying.